Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see all about basics about integer types. Here you can see the page of MySQL I opened about integer types, exact values. There are 5 types of integers as you can see here: tiny integer, small integer, medium integer, integer and big integer. You can see in front of there the storage column or the bytes. Here are the values. For the tiny integer is 1, for the small integer is 2, and the medium 3, and integer 4, and the big integer is 8. If you are using the big integer, then you have to write the minimum values from minus 2 raised to 63 to 2 raised to 64 minus 1. From here to here you can use the values. For the medium integer, there is a values from minimum. There are the minimum values are minus 8388608 and the maximum value is 8388607. And here you can see the column of maximum value unsigned. Okay, and here the minimum values unsigned and the storage, everything is fine. If you have any doubt, comment in the box. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, see you in the next video.